Hi everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today, Kiwi and I are going to look into this one, the FIFINE K658, a microphone that looks pretty amazing. The box is sealed and you know me, I like this a lot. We have a user manual. There is a shock mount. This is a ring nut to secure the microphone from underneath to the shock mount. A high quality and pretty long USB to USB-C cable is also included. They included a table tripod that's made of metal and an additional adapter screw in case you want to mount this microphone to a different head or tripod. And here is our microphone. Although it's pretty large and made of metal, it is not very heavy. The finishes feel and look nice. You can screw the shock mount onto the supplemented table tripod or to any other microphone extension arm. So here on the back you see that you have the input for the headphones and of course your USB-C port. Here's the tightening screw for underneath to secure the microphone to the shock mount. All that's left to do is to plug in the USB-C cable into the port and then to connect it to your PC. This is a microphone that works with Windows PCs and also with Mac. What's cool about it is that you can mute this microphone with a simple tap of the button. So it's really, you don't have to push it in. It's just a simple tap. This is a really neat looking microphone and I can see a lot of gamers and streamers are going for that if the sound quality is right. Everything you hear right now comes directly from the FIFINE K658 microphone. It's directly recorded into this microphone, so you can judge for yourself, does it have the right sound quality? Does it have enough bass, enough clarity? Is it crisp enough? You'll be the judge of that. I have to say that the manufacturer recommends to be only 2 to 4 inches away from the tip of the microphone and to talk directly into here. So this is what needs to point to the audio source. If I go a little bit to the left or if I go a little bit to the right, you should hear a significant difference because this is a directional microphone. Watching my footage, I noticed that I was sitting way too far away from the microphone and I didn't do this review justice. So I mounted it here on this arm. I'm now at the manufacturer recommended distance from the microphone and I was able to reduce the gains to 50%. So you can whether amplify and make it louder or you can reduce it. And I found talking in such a distance that 50% is just the right amount to have a good volume and clarity. There's another knob that you should know of. It's underneath and with a single tap you can turn off the RGB or turn it back on. I can't wait to see if there's a difference in sound signature now that the microphone is so close to my mouth. And now I'd like to compare the FIFINE K56 against the Audio-Technica 2020, a USB microphone that I'm using for many years. To do so, I'd like to share a few lines from Dieselstrommer's The Garbage Man. Time again for another little background check. I believe that sharing with you a little perspective of my life's journey is prudent at this point. Time again for another little background check. I believe that sharing with you a little perspective of my life's journey is prudent at this point. I'm originally from Germany. So am I. Immigrating to the United States with my parents in the 50s. I'm original from Germany, immigrating to the United States with my parents in the 50s. Our American sponsors owned a nursing home in Boston, which became our temporary home at the time. Our American sponsors owned a nursing home in Boston, which became our temporary home at the time. My dad initially worked there to establish ourselves on our new journey in the greatest country in the world. The land of opportunity. America, the beautiful. Our new life. My dad initially worked there to establish ourselves on our new journey in the greatest country in the world. The land of opportunity. America, the beautiful. Our new life. Now that you've seen the review and you heard the sound of the FIFINE K658 microphone, please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you liked this video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this and tune in soon again. Bye for now.